How to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp without backup. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can recover deleted messages on WhatsApp without backup. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, you have to open up your file manager in your device. After that, scroll down a bit and head towards your internal storage. Once you are here, find your Android folder and then tap on it. Under the Android, you have to tap on Media. Now once you are here, again search for com.whatsapp and then tap on it. Once you are here, again tap on WhatsApp folder. Now from all of these folders here, select databases and then tap on it. Now here you have to select all of these files. So select them all. After that, tap on the three dot icon at the top right and here tap on copy to. So here again head towards Android, tap on Media, then head towards .com WhatsApp, head towards WhatsApp. From here you have to tap on backups. Then you have to paste all of those files that you have copied before. So tap on copy here. So once all of the files is pasted to backup, your deleted messages will be recovered on WhatsApp. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.